station move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Buffalo has issued a flash flood.
If you were wondering what that alert was an SVR. You couldn't really hear at the beginning, so I have to say what it is. And it actually.
Oswego, Ontario, and Wayne.
Yeah. Yoshi Fan 115 knows it because he's seen the IM bot. I was just assuming this would be an SVR because I can't really see my computer screen from all the way over here on my bed. So I just look. I hear the IM bot, and I'm like, possible SVR, because it says severe thunderstorm warning. I didn't know if it said expires SVR or anything like that. So I just assumed it was, and turns out it actually was a severe thunderstorm warning. Nice.